What if the most advanced factory on Earth wasn't on Earth at all? Imagine a production line floating in orbit, weightless, silent, and precision engineered by microgravity. Welcome to the world of zero gravity manufacturing systems, where we build the future above the clouds. Since the 1970s, scientists have dreamed of manufacturing in space, but it wasn't until 2014 that the first three-dimensional printer operated aboard the International Space Station. Now, a decade later, that dream is scaling up fast. Why does gravity make such a difference? On Earth, molten metals sink, bubbles form in glass, and crystals grow unevenly. But in space, everything changes. Think of microgravity as a perfect mixing bowl. No sediment, no distortion, just ideal conditions. The result? Purer materials, stronger structures, and novel products that earthbound factories can't replicate. Take optical fibers made in microgravity. They contain up to 100 times fewer imperfections, potentially increasing internet speeds and reducing signal loss over long distances. In 2023, Varda Space Industries launched a capsule that successfully manufactured and returned pharmaceuticals from orbit, a world first. And on the International Space Station, astronauts are three-dimensional printing human tissue samples, laying the groundwork for future organ transplants. Companies like Redwire, Spaceforge, and Varda are pioneering this new economy. Meanwhile, agencies like NASA, ESA, and JAXA are investing in infrastructure for orbital labs and commercial space stations. Even billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk see orbital manufacturing as key to building permanent off-Earth industries. If you're new to my channel, please check out my videos and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for your likes, shares, and subscriptions. So, how does a space factory actually work? It's not a floating printer drifting through space. Picture this instead. A compact satellite, about the size of a refrigerator, orbiting Earth, packed with automated equipment inside. Once launched into space, it begins its job growing crystals, printing pharmaceuticals, or refining advanced materials, all in the stable environment of microgravity. There's no human crew inside, just machines controlled remotely from Earth. And once the job is done, a specially designed re-entry capsule detaches from the satellite, carrying the finished products safely back through Earth's atmosphere using heat shields and parachutes, similar to how SpaceX returns its cargo. This is already being done. In 2023, Varda Space Industries successfully returned pharmaceutical samples from orbit using exactly this system. But how does this impact common man like us? Imagine a smartphone made with space-purified glass or semiconductors, more durable, more efficient, and more reliable. These high-performance components could be manufactured in orbit and returned to Earth for use in your next device. Space-based production could reduce environmental damage on Earth by shifting heavy processes off-world. Yes, the challenges are real. Launch costs, technical reliability, and safe re-entry all demand innovation. But with reusable rockets now slashing space delivery costs by over 90%, zero-gravity manufacturing is becoming economically viable, not just theoretical. The next phase: factories that mine asteroids, manufacture parts in orbit, and feed materials directly into satellites or lunar habitats. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's already in prototype. Zero gravity manufacturing isn't just a technological leap, it's a shift in perspective. By building beyond gravity's reach, we're solving Earth's toughest challenges, from healthcare to connectivity. Because the future of industry may not be underfoot, it might be overhead. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in another exciting one soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.